Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel again. What happened here? Well, actually I took the front bumper off the CX-5 as I am replacing the intercooler for the turbo. At the same time I kind of cleaned everything up. We are also going to be installing brighter fog lights today, as well as a thing here for the intercooler so it doesn't get beat up. We're going to put a grill right here so it prevents rocks and everything else hitting the intercooler. So here we have the old one. As you can see, it's pretty beat up. There's a smell of oil in there. Might have some oil floating in there. It wasn't too bad, but that's how it gets when it's open exposure. Here's the new one. What you need to do is you need to take the grommets, rubber grommets from the corner. You need to take it from the old one. You have the air ventilator or the air direction things that are here in the middle, and then all those bolting mounts you have to take from the old one here. So here are the Osram's LED driving lights that I'm going to put H11. This is going to be a big improvement on the lights as well, so we'll be back.